Good morning, everyone. So today is Wednesday after my inventory sale. And on Saturday, my sale ended and I cleaned the whole house. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Tuesday we weren't even here for the whole day. We went to the Minnesota State Fair, which is a pretty big deal here in Minnesota. So we went to the fair Tuesday. So really this is 2 days of life. My house is a disaster, and it was spotless. It was absolutely spotless on Saturday. Until Sunday afternoon. At some point, our life got crazy. But with that, so one thing that I can so I'm so glad the house was spotless. Everything was cleaned. With that, so when I do these sales in the garage, all my focus goes to them. And everything else kind of gets put on the back burner. Hence why my son went and stayed with grandma so that he could get all the attention and everything that he deserves and needs, right? But things like work, back burner. I volunteer for a big event, back burner. I mean, I was working on it while I had downtime in the garage because I had the computer out there and I was getting a lot done. And most of the things that I got done was for my volunteer thing. So now it's time to focus on work. And yesterday we did the state fair, so it was just kind of focused on family time. Monday afternoon, I did a Costco run because we were running low on a lot of things. And I was in the area, so I still have Costco stuff to put away. And then Monday evening, after I got done putting like food away, it was time to just hang out with my kiddo. So everything else has really been back burner. Laundry, back burner. Dishes, not back burner, but not caught up. There's so many that I was behind on. So I'm just going to give you a little, this is where we're at. Today is the 31st. I'm going to set some new goals for September in regards to we're doing our first year of school, our first year with preschool. And we're going to start some new routines, and I'm really excited to kind of get back to normal, and be kind of done with these sales, even though I'm going to do one more sale at the end of September. But I'm going to give you a little tour, and I'm going to set some specific goals for the month of September. We are doing a Monster Bash birthday party in September for my soon-to-be 4-year-old. And I don't know, I'm feeling really optimistic today, even though my house, again, spotless 3 days ago. Disaster today. So we're going to do a quick tour just so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And we're going to start where we usually start, in the kitchen. And this spot really didn't get done with my cleaning. I actually think I specifically put it off. But this spot needs some attention. These came from Costco for our dogs. They keep changing their puppy treats, and I gave those a try. So then my coffee station. So here's the dishes. These are all rinsed and ready to go in the dishwasher. These need to be cleaned. Those, look, I've even been keeping up pretty much on hand wash stuff. They just need to be put away. Oh, and I got these on Sunday. Aren't they gorgeous? It was a pick your own. One of the gals that was picking with us, she's like, well, we are not leaving our day job because we don't really know what we're doing. All right. Oh, I just gave her medicine. She's processing. So I still have to put this stuff all away. So we've got Costco stuff still. We've got my son's stuff that still needs to be put away. I also went shopping for some back to school clothes for him. A gift for my niece who is in college. A gift for my friend who just had a baby. So I've got to figure that out. This is a pile of paperwork I was working on while spending time with my son. I'm working on our cash budget from money we got from the sale, and just making sure that we get it divided out well. And then we go over to my desk, which I haven't even gotten to work at for over a week. and it's a mess. Oh, wait. There you go, buddy. And I've had a third desk. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 office spaces going in this area. So it's a mess. A lot of it is mine. Some of it is my family's, but it would appear mostly it's mine. I've got a lot to do. I'm up for it though. I have a lot of energy. I think just getting to spend a couple days with my family was super something I needed. After that sale, I am still stiff from that sale. Standing on cement all day is very difficult. But I'm just excited to see what I get done. So today we haven't had breakfast yet. I kind of made a to-do list for the day, and I'm just gonna go and clean up that office area, one of them. And we're gonna go on an adventure this afternoon. So I'm up for it, and I'm ready to tackle this, and I'm ready to get back into some new school routines, which are gonna be very, very brand new for us. So it's gonna be a busy fall and a fun fall, and I'm here for it. Wish me luck. So nothing like waiting until the last minute. I just finished editing my garage sale video, which is going up, well, in 10 minutes, and then I'll be on with whichever of you are able to join me and watch. I absolutely love getting to be on the premiere. It is so much fun talking with you guys live. I have 9 minutes before the premiere, so I'm going to work on those hand washables I started this morning, and then I as soon as the premiere is done, we are gonna get dressed and go. We're gonna make a picnic lunch and we're going to the park to play, because today is back to school for all of our neighbors, but my son actually starts school next week. So we have one more week of summer vacation. We are using it to prepare for a fourth birthday monster bash, and getting the house pulled together and just finalizing all of the last details we have before school starts and swim lessons starts. So everything starts next week for us. So we're taking advantage of it, and we are playing as much as we can outside and just having lots and lots of fun, because it's our last week before school starts. And I don't know if mommy is ready for it. So I don't know if he's ready for it either, but he will be. He's gonna love it. He will love it. So he is occupied watching some YouTube right now. I'm going to do some hand wash and then go and hang out with some of you on the premiere. So I gotta get to it. I don't have a lot of time. And I still have work to do today, but I'm trying to jug it up. I am doing the ultimate domestic wannabe life today of juggling as many things as I can and just getting whatever I can get done, with the priority of it being the last week of summer. See how I do?